Now guys, I'll guide you how to create a cloud NAT in Google Cloud Console. First guys, you can click on navigation menu, then scroll down, and as you can see here, this is the networking section. Then you click on network service and then click on cloud NAT here. Then guys, as you can see here, this is the cloud NAT dashboard. Then you can click on get started here. Then name of the cloud NAT you can assign here. I assign the name of the cloud NAT as private NAT here. Then you can select the NAT type like private or public based on your project requirement. But most of the project guys only we select only for the private, because you can privately communicate with each other through the cloud NAT gateway. But if you select for the public, then discuss with your teammates and discuss with your manager, then you can select the NAT type here. Then you can select the desired private VPC network. As you can see here, we have 3 VPC network here. Then I select the VPC private one here. Then select the region, as you can see here, Asia South and Mumbai here. Then cloud router. Now guys, we don't have any cloud router here. Then click on create a new cloud router here. The name of the router is my router. Then select the network type is VPC private one. Then click on create. Then guys, rest of the field you can leave as it is. Then click on create. Then wait a couple of seconds. As you can see here guys, cloud NAT is successfully created here now. If you want to delete the cloud NAT, select here, then click on delete here. But before delete, you can first remove the cloud router first. Then how can you delete the cloud router here? Then first navigate to network connectivity, as you can see here. Then click on cloud router here guys. Then as you can see here, the my cloud router is created here. Then this is a simple step. Select here first, then click on delete, then click on delete here. Then wait a couple of seconds to delete your my cloud router first. Then again you navigate to network service cloud NAT. As you can see here, there is no cloud NAT is available here now. This is the simple step guys. Thank you. If you are into tech and want to stay ahead of the game, then you have got to subscribe and like to the Sairaj Tech Cloud YouTube channel. Don't miss out on the latest tech trends and tips. Hit that subscribe button now and join the tech community at Sairaj Tech Cloud.